During pregnancy, many parents can't wait to find out if they'll have a baby boy or girl. Ultrasound is a cool tool doctors use to guess the gender. But how good is it at getting it right? Let's dig into this and learn more. Ultrasound is like a magic picture that shows what's inside the mommy's tummy. It uses sound waves to make pictures of the baby. Doctors can use it to guess if the baby is a boy or girl, but there are some things you should know. The accuracy of ultrasound guessing depends on a few things. How long the baby has been growing is important. When it's too early, like around 3 months, it's harder to be sure. But when the baby is bigger, around 4 or 5 months, the guess is usually better. Who does the ultrasound also matters. Doctors who do this a lot are better at seeing the baby's private parts and making the right guess. Sometimes the baby might not show the parts so clearly, making it tricky. Ultrasound is pretty good at guessing the gender, but it's not perfect. Sometimes even the experts get it wrong. Babies can be shy or hide their parts, making it hard to know for sure. But remember, it's just a guess. Sometimes the baby keeps it a secret until it's born. So it's fun to know, but don't be surprised if it's not 100% right. Getting ready to be a mom or dad is a wonderful journey, no matter what surprise the baby brings.